This is your favorite station, Njenje Media TV. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Also remember to subscribe to the channel by clicking on the bell icon for notification. I am John Paul Annie. Senate rejects Grazing Reserve Bill, says it's unconstitutional. A controversial bill seeking to establish grazing management agency that will ensure the creation of grazing areas across the country was on Wednesday withdrawn by the Senate. Sponsored by Senator Rabiu Kwankwaso of Kano Central, the bill was withdrawn along two other similar bills sponsored by Senator Barnabas Jamide of Benue Northeast and Chukwuko Otazi of Enugu North. Jamide's bill sought to establish National Ranches Commission for regulation, preservation and control of ranches, while Otazi's bill sought to control keeping and movement of cattle in Nigeria. However, after Kwankwaso made a presentation to the Senate on his bill, it was found to have completely different objectives from those of Jamide and Otazi, and because of the controversy the bill had earlier generated across the country. The President of the Senate, Bukola Saraki, asked the Senate leader, Ala-Igbo, to move a motion for the bill to be withdrawn. The foundation for the withdrawal of the bills were laid by the Deputy Senate President, Ekweremadu, who said the Senate lacked the power to legislate on grazing matters, which the bills set out to pursue. According to him, only states have powers to legislate on grazing matters and livestock animals, adding that since the matter was neither in the exclusive nor concurrent list, the National Assembly lacked the power to legislate on the matter. Also speaking, Ndume threw his weight behind Ekweremadu and urged his colleagues to withdraw the bill without being emotional about it, saying if the Senate lacks the legislative authority on the bills, it made no sense considering them at all. He also reminded his colleagues of the implication of allowing the bills to scale second reading, explaining how Order 81 of the Senate Standing Orders provides that any bill which passes second reading in the House must be committed to a standing committee for further legislation. Ndume therefore added that since it was unconstitutional for them to consider the bill, it was in their own interest to stop the bill from being read the second time in observance of the standing orders. Responding, the President of the Senate, Bukola Saraki, said since the contents of the bill were antithetical to his initial thoughts that they were uniform, it was only sensible for them to withdraw them, as he charged Ndume to withdraw the bills. The bills were thrown out immediately after Ndume moved motion for their withdrawal. John Paul Annie, Njenje Media TV.